notified about all the content which I post, please subscribe immediately and keep watching.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are driving to Lonavala. So on our way to Khandala, we saw these monkeys hanging out and it was a beautiful sight. So we stopped by to take a look at them and it was really foggy and beautiful. So here we have reached Della Resort. So where are we going today? We are going to Data Resort, which is a part of Della Resort. So if you want to spend some quality time in serenity, you need to visit Data Della Adventures and Training Academy. So here first you have to reach Della Resort. So over here you will be picked up and transported just in 1 or 2 minutes to the data launch, and over here your check-in formalities will be taken place by Mr. Santosh Mohite, and he will take care of everything and he'll explain to you each and everything about Data Resort and what to look forward to, as well as he will help you to get into the military truck which will transport you to Data Resort. Yes, that's the only way you can reach Data Resort, and that is through a military truck, and it's a really amazing journey, believe me, and you'll really love it. So I'll take you along with me. You will see each and everything that I went through. So keep watching this till the end. So till my military truck was about to come, I had to roam around in Della Adventure Resort. That was around for half an hour because I had reached quite early over here. So let's go around Della Adventure and see what the people over here are doing. You can see so many activities going on over here, and people are having a very amazing time. And it was 15th August, Independence Day. So take a look at these people at Della Adventure. They are really having so much fun, and look at this, it's so thrilling. So previously I have made a video for Della Adventure too, so you all can take a look at that video too. So here my truck has arrived, my military truck. Take a look at it. Isn't it looking so good? So this journey in the truck will be for 40 minutes, and actually it took me more than 40 minutes because the roads were quite bumpy, and it's a very bumpy ride. Mind you, if you are not well or something, you better skip this because it won't be a very easy ride for you. Going there would be really difficult for you. Now we'll be riding in that truck to go to Data Resort, and it's going to be a very bumpy ride. Let's see how it goes. This will be my first experience. Let's see. But if you are a person who loves adventure and who loves different experiences in life, then this is really something for you. You should take this experience at least once in a lifetime because it's something which you don't experience every day in your life, and it's very different. And you'll know exactly how the military people travel. It's not easy for them, guys. It's very tough. But then you can handle it for 40 minutes, isn't it? So take a look. Our journey has begun. Happy journey to us. But the beautiful scenery around took my breath away. It was such a beauty. I had never seen so much greenery in my life and so many waterfalls on my way. It was really a bumpy ride, but I was so thrilled, so excited. You have to hold on to the truck and you have to go through this journey and enjoy each and every moment of it. So you'll see a lot of streams and brooks on the way, and it's really beautiful and green and lots of mountains around, guys. So we are going to Data Resort, which is located at Lonavala, which is by Della Adventure Resort. Delas Data Resort is India's first military themed glamping resort, which is one of the best resorts in Lonavala near Mumbai and Pune. From here onwards, the military truck will drop us at one spot, and from there onwards we have to take a 1 kilometer trek. So our trek begins, and when you trek you will be given a stick for balance, and it's really simple. It's not a very difficult trek. I have gone for more difficult treks actually, but this was a very simple trek, and we just have to keep walking and enjoy the scenery around, and you get to see a lot of waterfalls on your way, and you can walk through this path, and it is just for 1 kilometer, and you'll really enjoy the beauty over here. It's really amazing, and you will enjoy walking, because it's very rare that we people from the city actually go for such nature trails. So we should be doing that very often, very regularly, and that's what I suggest. And taking a walk here means breathing a lot of oxygen. You need it, guys. And I really know, because of this pandemic we have been staying indoors for so long, so this was much needed for me. This trickling water, this brook, this amazing waterfall, this greenery and all the flora and fauna around, and I really thank Data for giving me this experience, because trekking was something which I really missed for a very long time. And look at this, the beauty and greenery around Data Resort, because yes, we have reached Data Resort already, and look at this beautiful welcoming gate over here. So we were welcomed in style. So we had to light candles over here as we entered, and that was amazing. I really loved doing that. So immediately after coming in, we were offered a welcome drink, and we were given an orientation. We were given an orientation by this army personnel.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Hearty welcome.
Guys, I am inside my room, and look at this, it's so beautiful. It's an amazing room. Look at me over here. After the trek, coming into such a room is really a dream come true. Look at all the medals of the army people. It's really amazing to look at these, and look at these amazing chairs. I simply love this place a lot. And there is a deer head too, but it is fake, but it is amazing. It's awesome. This is the main door. This is how it looks outside. This is an amazing little fountain kept over here, and we have a nice view too. You can see the mountain. Such a nice place. I already love it so much. This is the bathroom. So beautiful, so amazing. And there is a surprise. Ooh. I am going to have a bath over here just now. Isn't this amazing? And there is a shower area too, with all these things, and there is a stool too. So the shower is also really amazing. I love this place. And we were introduced to the resort and all the activities which would be taking place over here throughout our stay. So the activities are going to be paid activities, and we have to pay for it. The per head amount is rupees 2,000 with taxes, and this will be for per activity, and there will be 3 different activities which you can do. So the room types over here are family suite rooms. This place is a unique mixture of natural beauty and thrilling adventure
backed by luxurious living and excellent services. So after a nice warm bath, I decided to go for a nap because I was so tired. I had woken up so early and I decided to sleep for some time before waking up in the evening for coffee and cookies, and I headed straight for cycling, and I even wanted to explore the resort, isn't it?
This
so
is
I
such
thought,
a
let me
beautiful
go and
evening.
explore.
I am near the river and I'm feeling so good. The river behind, the mountain, it is so amazing. I love this place and I never imagined it would look so beautiful. You should come here to check it for real. It's amazing, it's awesome, it's mind blowing.
So cycling over here is allowed only on the dirt road outside the resort. And look at this, this is a dirt road outside. It has become really mushy because of the rain, but it's an amazing place. There is a river over here. So you have to be a little careful while cycling over here because everything is not even. So be careful, but you can enjoy it if you are taking care of yourself. The beautiful river was really amazing, and it's very rare that we get to see such rivers. We sometimes see them on our way to somewhere, but we never get a chance to stand inside a river and have fun. So we enjoyed our time near the river and it was really fun throwing pebbles into the river. So during twilight we returned back to the resort, which was just in front of us, and here we are looking at the horses over here. We can even take a horse ride if we want to, but because of the rainy season, I guess it was not functional that day. And then I took a look at the area where the obstacle training takes place. So that I will show you in the next video, which will be a part 2. So you have to watch the part 2 of this video too, guys. And look at this, it's an old boat over here. And we can see the foggy mountains over here. It's really beautiful and a lot of place to walk around. And this is an amazing place to roam around during twilight with good music playing everywhere. And the night lamps make this place look even more beautiful. So we were just walking around and taking a look at everything. Located around 1 kilometer away from the beautiful Shirota Lake, it is a military-themed luxury resort in India with 5-star amenities. Food here is very tasty, the staff is really good, very cordial. This place is in the middle of the jungle. So these are tent rooms which are ultra luxurious. That's why we call it glamping. So the overall ambience is superb. So in the evening you can just chill around with a drink and have fun talking and gossiping with your friends and family and just catch up. So there's a souvenir store too, and you can buy stuff if you want from here. There are a lot of things which you can take back for your friends and your family, and this is an amazing store, and everything over here is made out of these containers, and I really love that concept. So these are containers which were converted into a restaurant. So that is amazing, isn't it? So I love that idea a lot, and it looked very classy and amazing. They have converted it in a very beautiful way. So here we chilled for a bit near the bonfire because it was really cold and really chilly, and the fire was making us feel really warm. and after some time we decided that we should go for dinner. So it was dinner time and we had to go for dinner, and here we come to the restaurant. Here we saw many soldier helmets as well as many bikes kept over here, and they are really beautiful to watch. And look at this, the restaurant from inside. So the containers have really been converted very well, and it doesn't seem to be. And these grenade shaped salt and pepper containers are really beautiful. So everything over here, all the crockery, all the mugs are grenade shaped, guys, and I really loved that too, because it matched the theme of the resort, which is a military theme. And everywhere you see the posters are of the soldiers, the freedom fighters, and we decided to have this Hyderabadi chicken biryani, which was so amazing. I have very rarely had good biryani from places, and this biryani was mind-blowing. It was amazing, and I would really give 10 out of 10 to this Hyderabadi chicken biryani. And I had this panna cotta for my dessert, and it was amazing too. But the biryani takes away my heart, guys, and I really love the biryani a lot. Even y'all should try it if y'all go there. And now it was time for me to retire, to go to bed and call it a day, because I was so tired. I just wanted to sleep and nothing else. So watch my next video for more action. And here I am with ex-army commando Mr. Vikram Pujala, and the next video will be more about the training, guys. So keep watching.
Ready? How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, simply city.